In the heart of Morocco, amidst vibrant markets and bustling streets, lies a culinary tradition steeped in history and flavor. One dish that stands out is the humble yet exquisite Moroccan lentil soup. This hearty soup has been a staple in Moroccan households for generations, providing warmth and nourishment during chilly evenings. Made with just 5 simple ingredients: lentils, onions, tomatoes, spices, and broth, this recipe embodies the essence of Moroccan cuisine. To start, sauté onions in a pot until golden. Then add lentils, diced tomatoes, a blend of warm spices like cumin and paprika, and vegetable broth. Let it simmer until the lentils are tender and the flavors meld together beautifully. Serve this fragrant soup piping hot, garnished with fresh herbs and a squeeze of lemon for an authentic Moroccan touch. As you savor each spoonful, imagine yourself transported to the bustling souks of Marrakech, where the tantalizing aroma of spices fills the air. This Moroccan lentil soup is not just a meal, but a journey through a land of captivating flavors and traditions.